Go air hump him, dude.
Oh, good. There's another Tahoe behind us, so it's not like it'll be private or anything.
You alright, dude?
Oh, that's Dr. Ralph! Yo, Boros!
Stinks! Oh, God! Stop it!
Yo, Boros, I got this on camera. I got it all.
Who's behind us anyway? Let's move.
Oh.
Yakety yak! Don't talk back.